subtitle video. And for this purpose, I was introduced to the L Translation YouTube channel. I was introduced to different videos. After being introduced to the different things that I can learn with L translations, I handled this first task, which included first researching different tools that I can work with, and then subtitling 3 different videos, very short videos. The tasks that I have done include first searching how I can handle this task. I found some interesting results. The most straightforward way to subtitle YouTube videos can be done through YouTube itself. If I am, for example, the person who added the videos or created the videos on the channel, there is an option to log into the YouTube studio, and then there is an option which said subtitles, and this would be the most straightforward and easiest way to add subtitles to YouTube content. I have also found some interesting articles that said that there is another way to add content to YouTube videos, where anyone can volunteer their time to add to any content on YouTube, but of course that will need approval from the channel admin itself. So in this way, I couldn't apply it directly to the videos that I had to subtitle, but I'm gonna share it just because it might be interesting. It might work with other videos. I tried it to different videos and it didn't work. But this says actually with under the video, there will be an option, 3 vertical dots, where we can click on it. And therefore, afterwards, we can actually see an option which says subtitles or added translations. And afterwards, we would have a sort of interface where there's time and space for adding text, and that would be the subtitle added in any language. And then this would be actually pending for approval from the admin of the channel, and that's how it could be created. A third interesting way to see subtitles in a given language of any video on YouTube I found also interesting is the option that is available for Android devices. I don't know if it is available for all phone types, but for my phone, which is Android, I found it available on YouTube.
I tried it as well. It works. Yeah.
Oh, good. So this option could add any. To my surprise, I didn't know that this option is available. But with any language, there's an option called auto translate within the YouTube itself. And it doesn't only add the speech to text option, it also translates the speech to a chosen language. So for the 3 given videos I was supposed to subtitle, I found the Arabic option, which is the language I was supposed to subtitle. So this option, that I didn't find it on my computer. So I don't know if it is something with my Chrome or Firefox settings, but I tested it and it is definitely available for Android and for the phone devices. So there are also other online and offline tools that can be used for subtitling. I experimented with many with many tools. The good point about the tools is actually most of them are available for free. I have tested an online some online device, some online tools. They were interesting, but the thing is they didn't give me a lot of options. This is why I didn't go to that directly. My most preferable way was using Aegisub or Aegisub, which is an offline program that can that I could use easily to add subtitles to videos. So I can share now the shortest video that I have added subtitles to it, and
so you use Aegisub for all 3 videos?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying to share now my screen. Okay, I'm not sure. All right.
Do you need help? That's perfect. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So, can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So,
Yes, we can see.
thank you very much. I'm gonna share with you now. These are the 3 files that I had to subtitle, and I used the Aegisub for that. I'm gonna share one video. So what is good about this is actually I could what I found interesting about this tool is that it is easy to use. I could synchronize the text with the sound with the image as well. And I could also edit the text itself in terms of font, color, where to place it in the screen. So it was really interesting. And I guess the text is easily ready to be shared. So after I finish this presentation, I can share the 3 subtitled videos or the text. I think it depends on if it need to be opened with alongside the text or not. So I don't know if the subtitles are clear here, but
Yes, yes.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. I think I would not be able to turn
To play
on.
the video, yeah. No
Yeah.
worries.
Okay.
Did you experiment at all with a Styles Manager feature where you can make the subtitles bigger or change their color or,
Yes.
create a font?
Yeah, so there is this edit function that actually allowed me to change for example, the size of the text, and there's actually the color, the also I think the type of the text, also about the where to place them. Like I can have different. I don't know if it changed a bit. Maybe because it didn't change
You
it.
need to apply, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, there is this actually function here. There's also another interesting and still easy to use function, which is for example, if there are some one moment I didn't subtitle, I can easily just click here and there will be a space left to add some text here. And also I can listen to the video or the sound and then see hear what is being said. And then accordingly, for example, I can merge to like the 4 seconds together. So this is for the merging, or I can also edit if for example one segment ended before I can edit it from here, so I can use the mouse to like left click or right click, so I can also change the segment time here. If for example there is a segment I don't want, or I want to delete, I can also from this place I can right click and then delete the lines. So yeah, I also found something interesting, but I didn't test it, which is there is the Google document option that we can use to easily detect speech, but I think it would be full of like
Errors, possibly. Yeah.
accuracy mistakes. So, but that can save time, but maybe like with certain languages it would not work really well. So
or
this
perhaps use it to provide a transcript, let's say a draft transcript.
Yes, yes. So this is basically, I don't know. I'm sorry for my sound today on my computer, but I really didn't expect
Please
it.
don't
Otherwise,
worry about
it. So yeah, I can also show you the. For example, if also I made some changes here, I can save them or not, and it would be also saved and for later reference.
One quick question regarding the Aegisub, because we've been using it a lot. Isn't it a bit of problem that it creates the ASS files and not an SRT file? That it's the most common file type regarding subtitling.
I'm sorry. The most file type.
The most common file type is the SRT, and the Aegisub creates ASS files that can't be. For example, if I remember well, ASS files can't be added in YouTube. No.
Yeah, maybe that could be a problem. I really didn't know what to do after I subtitled the videos. So probably they might not be ready to be uploaded to YouTube directly. My understanding is, for example, this text could be used automatically to be added to some already existing videos. I didn't think that I have to convert the file type. However, I don't know, maybe there are also online tools that can convert file types that would help.
From ASS to SRT, you mean? Yeah, I think there are. But I think that it is possible to upload ASS files on YouTube.
If you say,
I think it is, because, yeah, I think it is possible to upload this file type.
Okay. I thought I tried it once and it didn't work.
It didn't.
No.
Because let's say that you need to upload SRT files as plain text. If you need to upload subtitles that have a specific, let's say, colors or fonts, or you need the ASS file. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you for the question. I really didn't know about that. If I need to adjust the file type or anything, I would be more than happy to do that.
It's just, we're discussing many different options. Yeah.
Yeah. So one interesting thing also about these 3 videos is that I tried, like, because I was subtitling everything, I now know some, I'm familiar with Greek. So I just, if I hear this language, I would not be 100% stranger to it. Yeah, so this is the second file. I will just open it again. I'm sorry, again, there will be also no sound, but I think it works. Okay. Also, I have noticed that with the Aegisub, there would be also easy to add different lines. Like, for example, if there have been 2 speakers asking questions and then answering, it would be easy to, simply speaking, like, for example, with this line, I could add just Control Enter and sorry, Shift Enter, and there will be another speech by someone else. Also, the subtitles can easily be edited in this way. Like, let's say I made, for example, a spelling mistake, so I can also just click on the segment and change it, for example, and that would be it. And of course, I don't forget to click save afterwards. So yeah. Yep. I will just go back.
Okay, yeah.
So I also noticed that it is a good thing if there is only like written text on screen to add subtitles to the video, because especially with these videos, it was important, since it's, some questions were in a written format, not only speech. So I added them also in the given language that I was supposed to subtitle. Yeah. So actually,
Okay.
the video is almost over. I can't show the third video, but I did it exactly the same way, and
Way. Yeah.
yes, showed the same results. So I'm actually happy to receive any feedback or questions right now, and I'm grateful for everyone's time.
That's great. No, I think you did a splendid job. I think you liked better Aegisub. I think you also tried a different tool. Which one was it? The other one, subtitle
Yeah.
edit something. Yeah.
So this was not the tool that I tried. I think I stopped sharing my screen. I experimented with different tools.
Why did you opted for Aegisub? That's why. Why? Yeah.
Because I wanted to try different types of for subtitling. Aegisub is the easier to use, and I had some past experience with it, so it was like for me a very straightforward task. I tried also a tool called VideoPad Video Editor, and it was also similar to Aegisub in terms of it is free and it's not that difficult to use, but I felt like it's more about editing videos. It actually includes the option of adding subtitles, but it's not the best for that. I also tried some other tools that actually online, where they didn't require neither to sign. I mean, I could have signed up, but it was not a must. But also, again, there I didn't find as many options as I did in terms of, for example, adjusting the font or having both video and the sound, so I can feel like I am working with the translation. So most of the tools what I have is that it is just adding text to a video.
Okay.
Of subtitling and translation.
We are losing you. The sound is weird. Just okay.
Okay. Am I? Is it better now?
A bit, yeah. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Thank you. So that is why I opted for Aegisub after all.
So it has more functionalities and it's better suited for this sort of tasks. Okay.
Yes. So yeah.
Okay, Rahil, thank you. This was amazing. If you please send me
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. Regarding the Aegisub and your experience with it, apart from the spell check, does it have any other kind of quality control regarding the size of the subtitles, the character limit, and also does it offer an option for an auto translate like other subtitling tools?
I think yeah. I mean, there was the option of working with the font size, the where to put the text on the screen if I wanted to merge segments together or to break segments if I wanted also to show shifts in speech. change the text color as well. So there was this option. I think it also deals with more than one file types. It's not only video. I think probably I can add text to sound. I haven't experimented with that a lot, but I have tried with videos. I'm sorry for. Was there another question?
Yeah, there are some other tools that also offer the option for auto translate. That you have a script and it translates it, and yeah, it's not perfect, but you can just do some editing afterwards. It's more or less like Google Translate, but does Aegisub have this function as well?
With Aegisub, Google Translate is. I didn't know that. Probably I will try. I will try this after this meeting and see.
The task was not to present Aegisub; it was just to create the sub. So yeah, just follow-up questions. But yeah,
okay,
that's useful information.
Thank
so Rahil, you can send me the final files.
Okay.
To forward them to Myrto and upload them on YouTube and see if we have any errors there that we need to fix. Other than that, thank you so much for your time and the presentation. It was splendid.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone for being.
I know that next week you will be working on Moodle with Miss Zisi and Meropi on our training department. So we will be in touch, of course, if you need anything.
Thank you.
So it's been great, and we will be in touch for further assignments.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. And
thank you, Rahil.
Thank you for the feedback. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day, you too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, Rahil.
Thank you.